What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with a food review. So my brother's really awesome, and he goes to these really cool grocery stores. And he got my mom and I a few things. Today I'm going to be trying the Lunchables dirt pie dippers. But that's not all he ended up getting us. I'll be eating the lunch pie dippers for the Lunchable dippers for my food review today. And I've already done a review on the Fruity Pebbles chocolate bar. Go check that out when you get a chance. He also got s'mores dippers, which look really good to me. But the one I'm going to try is the mud pie dippers, because I love mud pies. I mean, who'd choose s'mores over mud pies, in my opinion? But yeah, this is gonna be good. If I can get it open without everything spilling out. Let's see. Easy does it, easy does it, easy does it. Oh, man. Oh, that works. Cool. But I think I used like a fourth of the... That's cool. Now the mud pie Lunchable comes with, it's basically, mud pies are basically just like chocolate pudding, Oreo crumbs, and gummy worms, which is basically what this comes with. Yeah, and to do it, you just coat the gummy worm and in the chocolate sauce, and then you dip it in the Oreo crumbs. It sure as hell tastes a bit weird, but I've never wasted one. I've had these before. I just haven't known them on camera. My brother's gotten them for me before. Well, the mud pie ones I haven't actually seen some more ones out in the wild before. But yeah, they usually don't come with enough gummy worms to use everything, but I always find my own way to get everything settled when I'm eating them. I'll show you what I mean when I say the midsection comes off pretty easy. The midsection is actually kind of wasted. Most of the midsection gets stuck on the wrapper when it comes down to these mud pie ones. And so, yeah, when I opened it, it was half of it was on the half of the chocolate part of it was just on the wrapper. which looked that way to me. There were only five gummy worms in the pack when you start this out, so that's definitely not enough. And I'll need a spoon to finish off the rest, but I'll have to ask my mom about that. I'm your host, Isaac Rowett. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.